In this session, I will introduce the ground and onboard intelligence systems of data processing and information extraction for Luojia satellites. We will take Luojia 301 as an example. It will answer the question, how did we move from collecting raw pixels to building onboard intelligent information extraction systems? To present the complete satellite service workflow, we will begin with the fundamental ground control system that supports satellite operations. Here we show 6 functional blocks of the ground control. The satellite status telemetry is for monitoring the health and status of the satellite. The satellite command and control is for sending instructions to the satellite. The satellite command processing is for interpreting and executing commands. Orbit tracking is for determining the satellite's precise position. Operation management is for planning, scheduling activities. And mission planning is for deciding which area to image and when. These functions are performed by our ground control center and are largely automated. After receiving data from the satellite, the data processing stage begins to ensure the quality and reliability of the image products. The detailed data processing pipeline consists of several steps. First, relative radiometric correction. It normalizes differences between individual sensor detectors. Second, band-to-band registration. It aligns different spectral bands so that they can perfectly overlay with each other. Third, raw star sensor data processing. It determines the satellite's precise altitude by tracking stars. And fourth, on-orbit geometric calibration. It removes distortions from the camera lens and precisely determines the satellite's viewing geometry. We perform this regularly in orbit to maintain accuracy. And fifth, absolute radiometric calibration. It converts digital numbers to physical radiance units using the calibration size. And last, atmospheric correction. This is a critical step. It moves the scattering and absorption effects of the atmosphere, like haze, water vapor, aerosols, to derive the true surface reflectance. The property needed for quantitative analysis of vegetation, water, and soil. This pipeline ensures that every data product we'll deliver is not just an image, but a calibrated scientific measurement. One of the most important steps in radiometric calibration, which enables the satellite's digital measurements to accurately reflect the radiance from the Earth's surface. To achieve this, we utilize global radiometric calibration networks with validation sites in the USA, France, Namibia, and China. These ground-based calibration activities ensures that our data is scientifically reliable and fully comparable with other international remote sensing missions. Geometric performance is a key indicator of a remote sensing satellite's mapping capability. One key advantage of Luojia 301 is its ability to achieve high geometric accuracy without relying on ground control points, which are often unavailable in remote or disaster-affected areas. As shown in validation results, the satellite achieves better than 50-meter absolute positioning accuracy without ground control points, while the inter-image geometric consistency is better than 1.5 pixels. This capability provides strong support for rapid mapping, change detection, and large-scale Earth observation applications. Another key innovation of Luojia 301 is its app-based open software platform, which enables onboard intelligent and flexible mission adaptation. Similar to a smartphone, the satellite supports app installation, updating, and execution directly on orbit. The platform includes 3 categories of apps: basic apps for geometric and radiometric processing, intelligent processing apps for tasks such like cloud detection, target detection, change detection, moving target analysis, and image compression, as well as extensible apps for advanced applications including semantic segmentation, multi-source fusion, and 3D reconstruction. This architecture transforms the satellite from a traditional imaging platform into an intelligent computing node capable of performing real-time analysis before data transmission, significantly reducing the data volume and response latency. The Luojia 301 Intelligence Service System establishes an integrated space-ground user architecture for remote sensing observation, data transmission, and information services. The system connects intelligent satellites, ground stations, service centers, and mobile users into a unified network. As shown in the diagram, users can directly submit observation requests through the mobile terminals, while the service center performs imaging planning, data processing, and product distribution. Meanwhile, the intelligent satellite and ground station support rapid data acquisition and transmission, enabling near real-time remote sensing services and more efficient Earth observation applications. This timeline demonstrates the complete end-to-end workflow of the Luojia Intelligent Remote Sensing Service System in a real experiment. From video imaging task request upload, satellite data reception, ground transmission and cloud forwarding, to final video display on the user's 5G mobile terminal, the entire process takes only about 8 minutes. Compared with the traditional remote sensing workflows that often requires hours for data download, processing, and distribution, this system enables near real-time, user-oriented remote sensing information services. In this slide, a sequence over Herat, Afghanistan, shows the automated processing chain. The radiometric correction removes noise and enhances the image. The sensor correction stitches images from dual cameras to create a seamless wide view. And real-time cloud detection masks out unusable areas. And finally, geometric correction assigns accurate coordinates. All these operations are performed automatically by the satellite's onboard computer and apps. Video stabilization is another key onboard process. Satellite jitter can blur video. Before stabilization, the scene in the video consistently changes due to satellite jitter and altitude movements. And the geometric accuracy between frames is 1 to 6 pixels. After stabilization, the video is fixed with geometric attributes, meaning each frame is precisely geolocated, and the geometric accuracy between frames improves to better than 0.3 pixels. This level of stability is essential for change detection, object tracking, and the generation of smooth video products. The app can analyze a 4K image in real time. It detects and outlines static targets like aircraft at an airport with more than 90% accuracy, and processing time less than 1 second. The left image shows static image aircraft detection at Kano City Airport, Nigeria, on January 19, 2023, and each aircraft in the image is outlined. The right image shows video moving real-time target tracking at Dubai Airport on February 21, 2023. The system allows aircraft as-late taxi and takeoff. This capability effectively improves the intelligence of remote sensing satellites, turning them from passive images into active surveillance systems. Intelligent compression is crucial for bandwidth limited space-to-ground links. Sending full-resolution video is bandwidth intensive, so our compression APP can reduce static image data by over 30 times and video data by over 200 times, while maintaining high visual quality. The left table shows an example. An image of 4K by 3K pixels was compressed 32.3 times in 2 and 65 seconds. Another example on the right, compressed 200 times in 15 seconds. The speed for dynamic image compression of region of interest meets near real-time requirements. That is 4K resolution over 10 frames per second. This compression allows the satellite to send much more information within constrained downlink capacity. This is a showcase of results. Aircraft detection at Kunming Airport, high-rate video compression of Lanzhou, tracking flights at Dubai, and video over a shopping mall in Wuhan. In the following, I'm going to show you some remote sensing video samples from Luojia 301 with the resolution of 0.27 meters. This is the Lottobot Tower in Seoul, South Korea, acquired on February 21, 2023. The characters on the building are clearly visible, along with surrounding urban structures and moving vehicles. This is the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa in Dubai, imaged on April 4, 2023. The resolution is sufficient to distinguish the building's distinctive shape and its shadow. Such images are useful for urban planning and tourism infrastructure monitoring. This is the video for Ferrari theme park in the United Arab Emirates. It is imaged on March 17, 2023. The iconic red roof of the main building is clearly recognizable from sky. This 3D scene of Seagats is automatically generated from the steering video acquired on February 14, 2023. We can generate digital surface models and three-dimensional representations of terrain and buildings. This capability supports topographic mapping and disaster risk assessment. This is the one shows the moving target tracking at Dubai Airport on February 21, 2023. The tracking boxes are overlaid in real time. This is a direct demonstration of the Internet Intelligent concept. The satellite processes the video on board and can send only the required object-relevant information instead of the entire video. And lastly, we show the moving target tracking in Geneva, Switzerland, on February 25, 2023. The onboard system can successfully identify and track vessels on the Lake Geneva. In summary, we have built an intelligent information service system. By moving data processing and analysis to in-orbit and creating a seamless satellite ground network, we aim at provide near real-time remote sensing information service. Now, the most important question: how is this capability being used to address real-world problems? And this question brings us to the next part, the applications.